again, everyone. So this is me again, your Miss Clea Voxamores, on the 4th week of my CVAV experience. Ayan, huling linggo na po ito, kaya sana samahan niyo pa rin ako hanggang dulo na makinig kayo sa aking sharing for my 4th week experience sa CVAV. Tarat na! It's crazy how fast time flies and how things progress. I can say ito yung best quotes na makapag-describe sa nararamdaman at experience ko sa aming last session sa CVAP. Actually, it's a sad and happy week. Sad kasi last session na. It seems I really want an extension and more sessions pa. At the same time, happy of course. Sa 4 na linggo nagdaan, super daming kaganapan at syempre, super daming learnings ang aming natutunan. Idagdag mo pa dyan ang samahan ng aming nabuo sa buong BR group at buong batch 27. Masasabi kong super blessed ko kasi napunta ako sa BR2, ang Bini Voice Box group. Sobrang happy to have this kind of crazy, makukulit, may kanya-kanyang topak, yet very supportive, very diligent, at very helpful na mga ka-groupmates. At syempre, we are so blessed to have our mga Diyosang mentors na sina Mentor Gracia and Mentor Jonathan. With these two mentors of us, kami ay mas nagiging motivated to do all the assigned tasks sa amin. Our mentors are very supportive at hands-on sa amin. They really serve as our guide. They push us to unleash our potentials. Sabi nga sa kanta, they gave us wings to fly. Sila yung tipo ng mga mentors na mapifeel mo talaga yung love and support kasi bibigyan ka nila ng freedom to do and explore things, yet they are always willing to be there to correct your mistakes and guide you to be back in the right track. And syempre, super happy and blessed din talaga to be part of this batch 27. Grabe solid yung inspiration and motivation na binibigay ng bawat isa. I admire all my batchmates kasi they are very humble despite most of them is talagang, nakakaangat-angat and may say na talaga sa industry at sa maraming bagay. Masasabi kong I found a new family in CVAP. Starting with our batchmate hanggang sa aming mga BR mates, mentor, trainers, secretariats, and hosts ng aming bawat sessions. Plus pa ang support ng nag-iisang voice masters na si Sir Pocholo Gonzales na siyang dahilan kung bakit kami naririto ngayon at kung bakit merong CVAP. He is a master yet a very humble and passionate man. Nang dahil sa programang ito ng CVAP, madaming katulad namin mga aspiring voice artists ang nabibigyan ng pag-asa at gabay na matupad din namin ang aming mga pangarap na maging isang certified voice artist. Speaking of being a certified voice artist, this last session gave us a bang talaga because of the presence of isang Ma'am Lynn Gonzales. Through her presence, mas nalaman namin ang mga legalities about being on the industry. Super napaka-inspired din na isa-isa niyang na-share ang mga successful graduates ng CVAP. Super nakaka-motivate lang kasi imagine we are one step closer to our dreams na maging certified voice artists. But still, sabi nga ng Ma'am Lynn, hindi nagtatapos sa graduation ng CVAP ang lahat. Kinakailangan din namin kumilos at improve ang aming mga sarili at syempre masipagan ng pag-audition para mas mag-gain na maraming experiences at pagkaroon ng chance to have some projects as well. Napakalaking bagay din na sa last session namin sa CVAP na nagkaroon kami ng chance na mapapag-critic ang aming mga outputs sa aming mga trainers. Super nakakakabay at nakaka-enjoy na marinig ang kanilang mga opinion, suggestions, and comments sa aming mga ginawang mga outputs. From their advice, we learn a lot of things and masasabi namin na still, our journey never stopped as we end our session in CVAP Batch 27. Maaaring magtapos man ang training namin sa CVAP, yet madami pa din kaming dapat na malaman at patuloy na i-develop sa aming mga sarili upang unti-unti naming maabot ang aming mga pangarap as voice artists. Higit sa lahat, ako bilang isang scholar ng batch na ito ay naghahangad din na makapag-give back sa opportunity na naibigay sa akin ng CVAP. I am very much willing to volunteer and share also everything na natutunan ko sa aming mga training. Maaaring nagtapos o magtatapos na ang aming training sa CVAP, this is only just a beginning of greater things that is waiting for all of us as voice artists. Mula sa kaibuturan ng aking puso, salamat Certified Voice Artist Program, CVAP, sa pagpapaalam pa ng aking pangarap at passion na maging isang voice artist. More power to everyone and may God bless us all. At ito na nga ang aking huling sharing for my CVAP experiences for batch 27. But this will not be the end. It's just only the beginning of a great journey ahead of us. Certified voice artists. Thank you, and I wish you enjoyed listening to all the sharings that I had. Mabuhay! Once again, ito po ang inyong lingkod, Miss Clea Voxamores. Bye-bye and have a blessed day, everyone!